Alright, how do you do? Morning. We're out here today, as usual, to do some plant reviews. Just going to look at some plants, tell them what we think of them. If they're wise, they'll take it to heart and make some changes. If not, they'll just keep doing their own thing. But let's start with this flower bush right behind us. Alright, so this one's very pink. I like that. Looks like about 5 petals to a flower. Let's get a smell test. And another thing I like about it is it's got some other buds behind it here. So, you know, after this flower's gone, maybe there's possibility for redemption. It's not all over when this flower's gone. Looks really good. The flowers are well spaced out on the bush. I could maybe use a few more down here lower on the bush. But up there, the density is really nice. Look at that. All those up there look absolutely great. They're all open for the early morning sunshine, ready to gobble up all the sun rays. Now this is a very interesting plant right here. To me it seems like some sort of land-lubbing kelp, some sort of seaweed that no longer grows in underwater but up here on land, and there's all sorts of it around here. Tall clumps and stalks of it, and it's very soft, very smooth, and it's very damp right here in the early morning dew. Love the texture of it. It's actually very nice. I hope it's not poisonous or anything, otherwise I might lose a hand. Really, no complaints about this stuff. Alright, check this out, folks. I found some tiny little flowers. And aren't these just the most precious little things? I love these just because of how small they are, I guess. Isn't this just the cutest thing? They've got this tiny little stem going up to this tiny little flower. Isn't that just the cutest little thing? It's so petite and perfect. Just sitting here in the morning sun. I wouldn't have it any other way. If there was even 1 or 2 more of these, they wouldn't seem so special. But here it is, just a couple lonely ones. It's perfect. Oh wait, I found some more. I think these are the same thing. Okay, I still like them even when there's 1,000 of them. Even when there's this many, oh no, I'm stepping on them. Even when there's a lot of them, I still like them, okay? Alright, here we have some little yellow flower. Not sure exactly what this is, but I like it. As you can see, it's got a very densely packed amount of bright yellow petals. It made my nose wet. It smelled very flowery. It still has dew on it. I don't know, is this called a sunflower? Or what is it exactly? I don't know what it is, but I like it. That's all. Big fan of this grass here. Pretty much just for the way it holds this dew. These precious dewdrops just sitting on there so perfectly and precariously. I love that. Oh. I think this is just like this plant is just like a really, really big thistle. I don't know if I've ever seen one this big before, but I'm really impressed, to be honest. I don't know. If I let it live for too much longer, it might take over my house, but I think it will have earned that right by then. Yeah, these are just huge thistles. Look at them go. Ferns. These are kind of cheating. I'm not even going to review these. Just too cool. Way too cool. Alright, and then we will also review one tree. Alright? What's the point of a hat if it doesn't keep the sun out of my face? Out of my eyes. But just like all around, solid. Sounds healthy, right? Good bark quality. If you peel off just a tiny bit, taste it. If it tastes like bark, then you know the tree is doing okay. All right, so smells like a tree too. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll review more plants later. There is a lot of them out here, so we won't run out of plants anytime soon, and they're all absolutely amazing. I love them. Okay, goodbye.